So how can you fix when the Apple Store or App Store is disabled on your iPad, right? So there are some things which might be going on or preventing the functionality of the App Store. So first of all, it might be the restriction. So if you check out your settings page and go to the screen time section, if you have it set up that way, it's possible that there are some content and privacy restrictions in place. And these, as you can see, can limit the app installations like from the App Store, from web, from app marketplaces, and all of the other things which might prevent the App Store from working properly. So consider turning off these specific restrictions or turn off the whole restrictions page altogether. So that's one option. The next thing you can do is to check out whether or not your iPad or iPhone, for that matter, is set to the proper date and a time. It is possible that when you change the date into the future or into the past, it would cause some problems when connected to the App Store and when trying to download some apps from it. So make sure you have the time set to automatically, or at least choose the right time based on your time zone. Another thing you can do is to update your entire iPad operating system by going to the General and Software Update section. And there, if there is a new update available, you should be able to install it pretty quickly and simply. So go ahead and do that and see if that makes any difference. But I believe that if you do all of these things, you are going to end up with a functional App Store, or as a lot of people call it, the Apple Store, right? But, that's how it works. Let me know what you think about that below. Thanks a lot, and I'll catch you later.